The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. 1 minute, we will get this rocking and rolling. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the markets overnight. Over the night. Oh, yeah, easy for me to say overnight. ES looks like ES and YM look like they're stronger than NQ. ES low of the night, 48.99 high, 49.22. About 23 points of range. NQ low, 466. High, 590. So about 124 points of range. Copper, mid-range right now, about 60 ticks. Gold, also about mid-range, about 7 points. Ultra bond, toward its lows. How lows can it goes? Oh, sorry. A little less than a point. Crude oil, about 80 ticks of range. And natural gas is just kind of floating there. Bitcoin, big recovery, up over 41,000. That's where we should stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. So we try to wrap up the week. Yesterday finished at about 726. Hopefully to do more than that today. Blue candle, trying to bounce back up here, but I don't really like it. News this morning. Let's look. US PCE price index year over year, month over month. US consumer spending month over month. All that coming up at 8:30 Eastern. At 10, we have US pending home sales change. So thank everyone for joining me this morning. Reminder, if you feel you're going to enjoy the stream today, I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button. Let's see if I was wrong for not taking this blue. It kind of bounce. Oftentimes when you start seeing it come down like this and then come up one time and then continues down. Since I didn't take it, it won't be one of those times. Yeah, see that with that up 7 points. So next. Crude oil, big dump there. 20 ticks down. Ultravine's heading back up. Yep, this one worked. Back up by over 10. There was one good candle in the rise up last hour. Where's that? Nobody talking. Still moving up. Pulls back a little bit on this candle. Excuse me, I usually I mute before I yawn. That one just kind of got away from me. It's been a long week. I catch up on sleep on the weekends. Everybody's working toward the weekend. Just a little pullback. Everything doing the same. Looks like it's trying to push up a little bit more. How high will we go? Sitting here around 15,583. Dow pushing down though. There's yes pushing down a little bit though. I said though twice. I don't know why. Ultra bond coming down. It opens in 5 minutes. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Not much going on here. Remember, we got news coming up in about 14 minutes. Apex flash sale until January 29th. 80% off all accounts, and you can pass in one day. No minimum trading days, basically. Link and codes in the video description below. Pulls down a little bit. Could not get up back up to the most recent highs there around 790. Got up to 787, it looks like. Nice little pullback there, 12 points. Gold running up. Crude bouncing a little bit. Russell coming down. A very nice purple candle to take on the Dow there. Missed that one. Getting down by 17 points. Where is everybody this morning? Everyone decided to take Friday off and not let me know. Well, there's a rise up by NQ. Climbing right back up that purple candle. Gold still moving up. Right at high day now. Seven minutes still news. Crude trying to continue downwards. Hanging around 17,576. Russell coming back down. Got a red candle on gold. First one in a while. Crude still undecided where it wants to go in life. The Russell's all choppy. Purple candle on all the indices there. 5 minutes till news. I don't think I've ever gotten a half an hour into the stream before without anybody chatting. Where are we going? Hanging here, gold, big pullback. Quickly whips down about 1.5 points. Purple candle, but we're not going to take that because of news. See a quick drop. And honestly, this purple candle here, it was below my signal line. I tell myself I should take them. It was above the 20, so I didn't. But news in 25 seconds. Is the chat working? Maybe I should test that. Yeah, it's working. I think. Why is it up there? Oh, big boom. Big boom and then right back down. It's quite the response there from that news. 67 up to 98, so it was shot up by 31 points and then right back to where we started. And now we're coming down. Just should have figured when it came back down like that quick. Should have quickly just grabbed the short. Hey, Nicholas. Chat is alive. How about that? How you doing today? Gold, did that same spike up and then back down? Russell, Ultra Bond just died there, down 14 ticks. Gold made a new high day. And Ultra Bond a new low day. How you doing today, Nicholas? And now this 5-minute candle's down 15 points. At 200 EMA. Nothing here I want to grab. That would have been the greatest entry back here about 20 minutes ago. Hey JC, how you doing? I was beginning to worry the chat wasn't working today. Doing all right, thank you. Russell climbing back up, NQ climbing back up. They're all climbing back up. Nice. Darn it, coming back down on Ultra Bond. Gold's coming down. Everything's red besides crude. We're burning red. And Q breaks through the 200, heading to the 100. Nothing I want to trade yet here. NQ did make a new daily high on that news pop. Well, I haven't made a new daily high. Actually, before the last hour, it did not this hour. ES also made a new daily high there on that news pop. Now it looks like it's coming on down. Down to 17,543. ES down to 49.12. little bit of a bounce. Russell's green. So you can see the ANQ perfectly bounced off that 100 EMA. Oh yeah, good. I see UB popping as well. Let's see, get up to 27 for JC. Nice move back up. Everything's trying to come back up now. Nice rise up. Going back up to try and hit high day. 23-point candle all of a sudden. Just something woke up. Thank you. And the rest. ES up 5 points. Dow up 26 on this candle. Gold back up by 2. There's JC's 27. Let's see if he gets filled. Excellent. Excellent work, JC. It's a great Friday, 10 ticks. Hey, John, how you doing? Feeling any better? Keep definitely running here, almost a 30-point candle. Glad it's getting better for you. ES just came within a tick, I think, of touching its high. 3 ticks. Tick, 3 ticks, whatever. You got any trading done, John? Have a great weekend, JC. Going out with a good win. Good idea. Excellent, John. Sneeze just came out of nowhere. I guess it came out of my nose, but you know what I mean. Those that may or may not need it, Topstep on Topstep TV. It's their 100th episode today. They'll be giving away a free reset at some point, and they're also giving away 400 100K accounts. You have to be fast, be the first 400 to sign up for it. Gold hanging around GMAs. We're going to go long on gold here. Thank you. Up to daily high. Oops, this took the stop off. There we go. That's a rise up. We'll take it off there. It's a $150 trade. We got 15 ticks on that gold trade. Of course, it's popping up more, but I'm happy with that. Our ATR is only 1 there, so we got 1.5. I'm happy. NQ, new high day, up to 606. Broke 600 mark. ES, rising up as well. So now we need to look at yesterday. Yesterday's high is 752. Still ways to go on NQ, but ES is actually above yesterday's highs. So ES really strong here. And then all-time highs 49.33 back here the other day. Thursday, Wednesday. That's that day. Hey Sid, good morning. Gold gives us the first win of the day. Let's get some more. Yeah, you see gold coming back down, so I'm glad I got out where I did. It did go another 8 ticks up before pulling back. And keep rising nicely. No more big news catalysts today. Do have a couple little bits of news at 10. Don't think it's going to rock the markets at all. Oh yeah, I never checked Tesla. How far did Tesla come down yesterday? Oh, Tesla got close to that target you were looking at yesterday, Sid. See it hit 180.40, it looks like. 180.21. Rebounded nicely. I just saw a headline that said that they think it might be another 30% down. Made me think about it. Yeah, there's gold going back up. We're looking for trades in all the wrong places. Thank you up to 2025. So I could have stayed in if I would have wanted to, but I didn't want to. Happy to get the quick win and to start the day. We are about 7 then it's 6 minutes till till the top of the hour. Don't want to. I always want to say the bell. Dow's still rising up, even with ES and NQ pulling back a bit. And now YM's pulling back as well. There's a pullback on NQ, back under 600. Seems like a slower, choppy morning with a couple bursts here and there. Let's see what we get after the bell. Pulling back. Excuse me 1 second. And I'm back. And we are just a little over a minute to the top of the hour. Very quiet day in the chat. Russell, little blue candle there. Not trusting it. Pulling back. And the top of the hour did not give us any type of a big boost or anything. So we'll patiently wait. Gold pull back, trying to push back up. Blue candle on gold. So NQ got up to 611s, pulled back to 84. So that's a 20, 27-point pullback. Big old purple candle in the Russell. Russell's flirting with 2000. Crude oil finally taken off there. It opened a couple minutes ago and was stagnant. Now it's up 23 ticks. NQ falling. We're about 25 minutes till the bell. As we wait our next. Hey, Ace. Good morning. I'm doing all right. NQ falling quick. ES falling quick. Dow falling quick. All of a sudden, everything in major pullback mode. There's a bounce. So we watch and we wait. Crude continuing to rise. Actually, no, nowhere near high day though. Looking for some excitement. Got that one win today so far on gold. I'm gonna take a nap to the bell. Someone wake me up. No, kidding, of course. But right now, I'm not excited at all. This price action is not exciting me. Gold giving me another blue candle. Oh, there you go, Ace. Purple candle on the ES. Long on gold again. And at 2024.9. Again, I was like, I'm not sure how I keep getting late on gold when I do enter. Let's see what it does. Also eyeing this purple candle here on the ES. So this gold trade was a possibly a mistake. We shall see here in a few. Yes, watching down the 49.19. There's aces too. And Q giving me this purple candle there. But it looks like gold's gonna stop me out. So gold giveth, gold taketh away. See the EMA, 200 EMA looming around 549, and the 100 looming around 544. And you can see we bounced off the 100 earlier back up. The 22-point candle, it's playing with the 200 right now. Taking the short. I don't got a stop on here. It's a big stop. Probably gonna regret this. It's gonna bounce on those EMAs. Watch it. Yep, that's exactly what it's doing. Yep, there's the bounce. Nice job, Ace. Good morning, RJ. tell myself to never take a candle that's going into an EMA like that, and I did it anyway. We'll see what happens. Second week in a row, Ace, you got a runner on a Friday. Oh, look at that. Coming back down to my entry. Come on, breakthrough. We have 20 minutes, 10 minutes to the bell. Pushing down. Yeah, we're in for a big correction at some point. Hey, David. I don't like the way that's pulling back up on me. Where's VWAP at? Oh yeah, VWAP is sitting right there, ain't it? And it's struggling to get through there. So let's take it off the table there. Smaller win than it should have been, only 115 bucks, but green is green. We're up 161 on the day. That was kind of disappointing. I was in at 48 and it went all the way down to 33. So if I had set my target at 15 points, I would have got it. But next. Gold still falling. Yes, bouncing there. A blue candle. So we head toward the bell. Double the Bulenox, double the fun. Ding. Two great Bulenox sales going on right now. 80% off their intraday drawdown accounts. 50K account is $23. Or their end of day drawdown also on sale. 50K accounts for just $43.75. All account sizes are on sale, but I advise no more than the 100K account. All links and codes are in the video description below. And there's the pop back up. So I got out. It was good that I got out where I did. Though if I had gotten out a little earlier, that would have been even better. Wow, 7,500 people are watching Topstep TV today. It's their 100th episode. They're giving away free reset sometime today, and they're giving away 100K 100K accounts. Five minutes or so to the bell. If you blow the account, you use a reset to restart back at 0. Thank you, David. Hi, Rollo. I have a feeling the second part of that sentence is missing. No, it does not. Well, it's more like in that type of scenario, the reset be more like would put you back to where you were before you robbed the bank and make you, try to make better decisions the second time. Whether that's to not rob the bank or to use better methods to not get caught robbing the bank. But now your rebuild date stays the same, Rollo. Q's kind of hanging on at DMAs. Got that little win there. I'm happy with that. And gold continue to drop. Little bounce there on ES. Crude's just kind of hanging around. Ultra bonds showing short. Russell heading up. As I said, 2 minutes to go. Bells will be ringing. Tio usually doesn't make the morning streams, Sid. He's usually only on the evening streams. You're welcome. And we are 30 seconds away, 20 seconds away, somewhere in that area. And we've pushed down here at the bell. Down about 10, trying to bounce, hanging right on the 100 and the 200 EMA. Gold continuing to push down. Crude popped up 18 ticks there right before the bell. And now we're back to green. Pulled down almost 20 points and now back up. Doji candle now here on NQ. Gold falling pretty hard there, down 2.2. There's the Dow rising up. ES rising up. Russell rising up. Stop me if you've heard this one before. Russell, no, I guess I ran out of them, so I can't even use that. Crude's rising up. There we go. Not sure what that sound is I just made. That was a good long single ace. Very good. ES stronger here than the NQ. NQ's still lagging. NQ does not have the same strength right now as the ES does. Wow, look at Alphabet take off. Just looking at the quick Magnificent Seven, as they call them. Looks like NQ's still trying to rise, but sandwiched between EMAs. High day was 611 or 561. I'm pulling back. Nice purple candle here. ES pulling back tad, not like NQ is. NQ does almost 4 minutes on this 5-minute candle, so we'll watch. Let's see, it's dropped 20 points. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Really dropping. Now ES is pulled back. Russell's pulling back. Dow's in its own world going to the moon. Wow. Yep. Down 33 now. Overnight lows all the way down at 466. So that'll be a over 100 point drop to get there. Sorry, no, it wouldn't be. We're at 536. That's not. What kind of math are you doing? Try about 70 point drop. ES flirting with our purple candle here as well. And Q pulling back up though. Oh, wow, look at that. Gain back about half that candle. Crude, new high. No, I'm wrong. Just need to keep my mouth shut. This candle's got about 80 seconds on it. So no valid entry sitting here. Gold's popping back up with a blue candle, but below my signal. Everyone's so quiet on this Friday morning. Bouncing back up. Or not. Don't mind me. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I don't know where it's going. And we know where it's been. Alter bond falling, falling, falling. Should have taken that purple candle back there. But right now, market's kind of stagnant, trying to figure out what it wants to do. Russell's pulling back a little bit. Anyone else in any positions? Hey, Nick, how are you doing this morning? Crude pulling back. Hey, Burl, how's it going? So far, so good. 2 out of 3 on the morning, up 161. Right now we're choppy. Once again, a reminder that today is Topstep TV's 100th episode. If you're a Topstep trader or whatever, after this stream, you might want to go over there and give them a watch, as they are giving away a free reset some point today, and they're giving away 400 100K accounts. You got to be one of the first 400. You got to be like really fast. I have no idea when they're gonna put that form up, but there's like uh, there's almost 10,000 people watching right now. Meanwhile, here we have 11. Maybe moving down here, moving on down. Purple candle. Got 2 minutes on it. Russell's coming down harder than any of the others right now. NQ's still struggling around 545. Minute to go in this purple candle. I'm not really feeling real secure in it. Maybe. We'll see. It is a 17, well, it was a 17-point candle. It's a 14-point candle. Retreating here. Oh, God. Not taking that purple candle, not make me feel all warm and fuzzy. It feels like we're still in that chop around those EMAs. Let's see if it proves me wrong. So I lied. I'm taking a short here. How come my ATMs are off? Put those back on. 13-point stop. I think I should have went with my first instinct. There we go. Boom. Come on. Down a little bit more. Shit. 35, looking for 27. There's 30, there's 29, there's where it is. Target hit. Booyah. That, my friends, was a $325 trade. And we are up for 82.40 on the day. What did I do there? I originally said I didn't like that purple candle. Then I said I like it. I saw it come up, it came up and retraced by about 9 points, and I see it coming back down. And it felt like we had downward momentum. We were below the signal line, and I took it for about what the ATR was. Still dropping. So 3 out of 4 today. So I reset this account. I started trading this, this new reset account on Wednesday. It's actually Wednesday at about noon Eastern. So in less than 2 days, 2 trading days, less than 48 hours, we're up $1,600 on it. Stats say I've made 56.67% profitable trades. And my average winning trade is bigger than my average losing trade. Man, NQ's back up to about where I got out. ES kind of bouncing. Gold trying to bounce up. Yep. Next right, news in 3 minutes. U.S. pending home sales. And we're coming back up a little bit. Yeah, I've market ordered everything. Well, I shouldn't say that. I mostly market order everything. I sometimes accidentally leave a stop or a target position on when I set a stop or a target. And sometimes that can work out, but right now everything's clear. Blue candle back up. All our EMAs are nodding up. There's our news hour. Let's see, pulling down just. Oh, gold didn't like the news. Immediately down 2 points. All the indices pulled back, but not at the same dramatics as gold. Let's see, numbers. U.S. pending home sales change 8.3. Holy crap, they expected 2, and it came in at 8.3. That's a huge beat. The Ultraviolet continues to fall. And Q coming back down. Gold really dropped. Yeah, that candle looks bigger than I thought. Than when I thought it's less than 2 points, so it's not as much as I thought, but still. ES turning purple. And Q trying to push down as well. Russell had the cleanest pullback there. Okay, coming back up on NQ. Gold still dropping. Russell's another purple candle there. It's actually an interesting purple candle. Yeah, I saw that. It's like astounding. I'm not sure how they could be off by like 400%. We've taken a trade on the Russell. Top right hand corner. As usual, I'm late in it. Not too late now. Only 3 ticks. Short target down to the low that it got to about an hour ago. About 2 points. There we go. Target hit. So that was a $100 trade. Actually, $95 trade on the Russell. Probably should have went for more there, but I haven't charted out the Russell at all. So these trades, I mean, I made a big trade yesterday in the Russell, $425. So the Russell's been treating me well, but I didn't want to go for too much there. Obviously, I could have got more, but we're now 5 for 6 on the day, up 573. Thank you, Ace. Yeah, it's still going, so I could have grabbed more on the Russell there. But hey. And Q's still coming down as well, did not give me my signal though, so. And gold also set a purple candle there. It's down 13 ticks. Could have grabbed that as well. It's hard to grab 2 at once though. Or at least I'm not that skilled. RJ's been very, very quiet. Ah, they're costing you money. Bounce here, thank you. Going for a run today, Ace? Ultra Bond, maybe found the bottom blue candle there. I lied earlier when I said 5 for 6. It's 4 for 5. 4 winning trades today, 1 losing trade. Russell continues to come down, so it's come down double what I got out of it, but we'll accept that. Little bit of pop. Once you pop, you don't stop. No Crypticon today. I hope he's okay. Pulling back down. Dow's bouncing up. Nice little move up. It dipped down. Dip, 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 dip. Down to 504. It's popped back up to 539. Waiting and watching for our next chance. Gold trying to entice me down there. Waiting, 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 waiting. Q's running into its EMAs. Yep, pulling back. Choppy. You see NQ's been very choppy. Choppy with a slight downward tilt. We were able to get that one win earlier on NQ on the downward tilt. Actually, 2 wins earlier on the downward tilt. Same thing with the Russell. Russell sending me the other purple. Purple nurple. 3 minutes to go on that though, so we'll see if it holds. Gold still falling, and Russell still falling. Everything's pulling back now. All 7 assets we're looking at here are red on this candle. Right now, kind of stagnant. So two gold trades today, two NQ trades, one Russell trade. Gold was my only loss. That was honestly a misread on my part. I can't blame the gold. How's everyone else doing out there today? Red, green, somewhere in between? Crude oil up to new. No, I'm not going to see new daily high. I don't think it's true. Oh, yeah. Crude oil hitting new daily highs. Ooh, that's unusual for you, Sid. Still working on getting it back. Now we have a pop to the upside. It's an upside pop. Oh, sorry. Good idea. All of a sudden, everything popped. Everything was red, and now everything is green. 20-point candle here. Still got 2.5 minutes, and this candle's still building. It's Bob the Builder. Almost 10,000 people watching Topstep TV right now. Chat is just blowing by. Everybody just asking where the free reset is. I'd love to see them just time everybody out that asked that question. Then 9,700, yeah, watching Topstep TV right now. It's their 100th episode, RJ, so they're giving away a free reset to everybody, but they got to be watching it. They're only going to have the form up for 10 minutes, and they're also giving away 400 accounts, but it got to be the fastest person. It's whoever the first 400 people are to fill out the form for it. And so they're not, and they haven't announced when they're going to post those forms for either of those things. We're long NQ. Put my target up to this recent high, 10 points. Technically, I should be going for 24 points. Really? Got within 3 ticks of my target there. Got close again. There it goes. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Another 10 points. Now we're 5 for 6 on the day, and we're up $769. So the last couple days have been very good. We're now up $1,890 since noon on Wednesday. Of course, I'm still not trading my plan because I chickened out. There should have been at least a 20-point target. The ATR is 24. And you can see we got it. I would have had 24 instead of 10. Or even more. So I've still got to work on that part. Because there I just cost myself an extra 15 points. ES also popped their big by like 4 points. So, one of the things I'm going to study, I started studying it last night. One of the things I'm going to study this weekend. One thing I didn't like about this strategy is it seemed like more often than not, my risk to reward was 1-to-1 or somewhere around there, even worse than 1-to-1. So I started last night. I started looking at the 1 minute chart. Now, not to enter in the 1 minute chart, not using that for entries. We're not going back to that. Still using the 5 minute for entries. But instead of using the full candle, like in this case, the candle would have been, a 21-point candle as my stop. It seems like most of the time I could use the recent swing down on the 1 minute chart, which is usually a lot lesser. In this case, on this last trade, now I wouldn't have went with 3, but it could have been as low as 3. Or the better one would have been the candle before it, which would have been the swing low, which would have been the low there was 42. Here the stop would have been at 31, so that would have saved me like 11 points of stop. And if I had gone for 24, like I should have, with an 11-point stop, that's like 2.5-to-1. Look at this rise up. NQ trying to reclaim 600. ES back up to 49.26. High on ES on the day was 49.28. So it's only about 2 points off its high. Dow's at its high. NQ 611 was its high. So what I need to study is, would using that cost me many, and how many potentially profitable trades using the smaller stop like that based on the 1 minute chart? Would it cost, would it cost me trades? Because honestly, I mean, if you look back, as this is just moving up, I'm here just babbling, you know, all these lines here. This was yesterday's chart, and you can see all the white lines are winning trades, yellow are losers. And if you look back at each day, there's a lot more white than yellow. So if I just traded the plan, it'll probably work out anyway. But my mentality, my psyche, whatever you want to say, still struggles to use a 20-point stop or 25-point stop or whatever the trigger candle ends up being. Back above 600. This was our high back here at 850-ish. Now that strategy, if I end up using it for stops, would only be on NQ. So there ain't no way I can watch 1 minute charts of all the rest of these. I'm not insane. Well, I'm slightly insane. NQ slightly below 600, a little bit of a pullback. Russell trying to push up now. Russell seems to be lagging behind everybody else today. Actually, it came down quicker and coming back up earlier. So, as they say, is what it is. Please excuse me for 1 minute. I'm back. Did you miss me? I think you reclaimed 600 once again. Watching that Russell. It's not quite where I want it yet. But getting there. Actually, it is where I want it now. Russell trying to reclaim 2,000. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to blow into the mic. We're gonna go long here on the Russell. We're long. Ah, wait, what? Okay. So watching the Russell trade here. I was only one tick off this time. There we go. We're gonna see if we can get it to 20. What was my ATR? Maybe I should actually follow my strategy. 4.7. That's pretty large. Be up here. Let's see where it goes. We're gonna put our stop at the bottom of this candle. So it's about a 4-point stop. Pulling back a little bit. There it goes. Now it's starting to get a little momentum up. Come on. It's like 1999 is its struggle point. It might be because you see up here, this one, we came down and popped back up to 1999.7 and then reversed down. So it's got to break through that little resistance there. Right now it's at 1999.6. There's 7. I just saw 7 on the ask. There we go. I just saw 2,000 on the ask. There's 2,000. Can it get up to 2001.7? Which is the high of this candle here. Actually, that's 2001.6. False favor, I put my target at the high day, 2008.3. There we go. Now we got a little momentum again. Oh, we did. There's 2001 Space Odyssey. A Stanley Kubrick classic. I've never seen it. Struggling at 2001. Three ticks on target. That pulls back. Candle closes in 10 seconds. Target hit. There we go. Now we're 6 out of 7 on the day, and we're up $894.96. Let's see, anything else do anything exciting while I was going on? NQ sent us a blue candle, but I'm not sure about that. Thank you, RJ. So we're officially over. Like I said, I restarted this account on Wednesday around noon. And right now I'm up $2,015 since I did that. So less than 48 hours, $2,000 in 2015. Thank you, John. 60% of my trades have been profitable in the last 2 days, or 48 hours, I guess. The only trade I've lost today is this gold trade here. Faked me out with this blue candle. And it was a terrible blue candle to take now that I look at it. This previous wick, I mean, yeah, it showed me a blue candle. This previous wick was so much higher. This was obviously still on the downtrend. I'm sorry, wait. Yeah. Took it here, started this candle, and it just dumped right down. Hey, Kim, nice to see you here in the morning. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Market's pausing a little bit. We have about 13 minutes to go on the stream. Crude pulling back just a tad. See, crude just continued to move up. Well, new high day. Ultraviolet made a new low a day. Gold made a new low a day earlier. Copper's made a new high day. Look at copper run. Gold coming back down. Russell pulled back, so it's good. I didn't go for a much higher target there. At least for now. NQ still trying to curl up. Actually, NQ is about. NQ is. NQ has got 2 ticks within its high day. See if it breaks it. It does. New high day, 613. Yeah, Q. Dow, all-time highs. NQ still going. All right. Good luck on that, RJ. Oh, crude dump there. Missed that purple candle. That would have been a great trade right there. Beautiful, beautiful. That's okay. Huh? Ultra Bond sending a blue candle there. Maybe we'll get some Ultra Bond fun. Q got up to 617s, pulled back by about 12. ES up to 33s, pulled back by about 4. Dow also pulling back. Gold still coming down. Russell pulled back. And Q sitting right below those highs. Here's NQ going back up. Crude cascading down. And Q. Yeah, great call, RJ. See if we get up to that 648 you want. Struggling here. And we just have a couple more minutes to go. Oh yeah, that's right. To be continued. I still got 2 more minutes. It could burst up by 28 points. Just continuing to try. Up to 624. There's 626. 629. We'll hang out for 1 extra minute and see if this gets. Taking a breath at 625. There's Salt 29. Nice. It's pulling back a little there. Okay, we will tune in and we will find out from RJ how it worked out on Monday. Hopefully it continues back up for him. Hope everyone has a great weekend. We will be back here Monday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern time to start working on trying to finish getting this Topstep funded. Hope everyone has a great rest of it. You just got kicked, didn't you, RJ? Did you get stopped out there, RJ? Was your stop at 617? Exactly that. So we don't need to find out Monday what RJ did, but we'll find out about any of his other trades. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll talk to you Monday.
If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day,